Hazrat Zuhri states that Hazrat Sahal bin Sa'ad Saidi radiyallahu anhu said that Hazrat Uwaymar came to Hazrat Asim bin Adi radiyallahu anhu and said, if someone finding a man with his wife committing adultery kills him, will you kill him too in retaliation? O Asim, ask Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It's precept for me. He asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about it, but the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam disliked this question and considered it odious. Hazrat Asim went back and notified him that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had disliked this question. Hazrat Uwaymar radiyallahu anhu said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will definitely visit the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he reached him sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sent revelation after Hazrat Asim. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has revealed the Quran regarding your case. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam summoned them both. When they had come, they both invoked mutual imprecation. Hazrat Uwaymar radiyallahu anhu thereupon submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if I keep her with me, it will mean that I have charged her with falsehood. So he abandoned her, though the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not command separation. So it became a precedent for those who wished to invoke mutual imprecation. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, keep an eye on her. If she bears a reddish, short-statured and lizard-like child, I think the man has told a lie. But if she delivers a large black-eyed and large buttocked baby, I then think that the man has spoken the truth about her. She bore an ugly baby who caused the ignominy. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7304.